Hey, I made some easy peasy zipper pouches. You want to make them? They're a great gift, super fun. Stick with me, y'all, I'll teach you how. You can make them any size, but I'll share with you the dimensions of how I made these. They are lined, they have a zipper, it's perfect for snacks or whatever. If you make them bigger, they could be project pouches. So let's get started. These right here are it's 8 inches by 12 inches. So I have an 8-inch by 12 quilt as you go panel. Then this is a piece of lining fabric. I have a zipper. These are by Patterns by Annie. They're my favorite zipper. Wondertape. I do not install a zipper without this good stuff. And then I have a label. If you don't have a label, you can skip that part and then just close it up as I do in the video. So for now, take this zipper. Boom. I always work with zippers that are longer than I need. It's going to go on this. So because it's longer, I don't have to worry about moving that around whenever I install the zipper. So for the first one, Wondertape. And for those who don't know what Wondertape is, it washes out. So it's not like a permanent adhesive, but it helps put everything in place. So you don't have to worry about like clips or pins, and it's perfect for zippers. So I put that here, and then where the zipper pull is, that's the front. So I'm just gonna line this up here, and then I like to heat set my Wondertape just to put it in place. So I'm gonna heat set it. It eliminates some of the stickiness and the gunkiness, so it won't gunk up your needle, and then it just puts it in place. And then this one, since it's smaller, I'm just going to clip it right there so this doesn't move, and it's all going to be good to go. So 1, 2, oh, sorry for the arm. Now I'll take you over to Felicia and show you how and I am going to stitch it just regular stitch. It's about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm just going to get going. See, I'm using a regular foot. The byAnnie zippers are thicker and wider, so you don't have to worry about using a zipper foot. Ooh, whoa. And I'll just keep going. Right here. So this is stitched. Now I'm gonna go back over to my ironing board and show you how to prepare. One is done. Ooh, now we need to attach this side to this part of the ruler. And the first thing is to put some Wondertape right here. It's essentially the same process, but I'm gonna show you how I handle it in case this is the first time some of y'all have ever installed a zipper. So I'm gonna line this raw edge on the sides up with that one. And then I put it raw edge to the other side of the zipper right here. And once again, I'm going to heat set it. Bong bong. Right here. And this will once again eliminate some of the gunk and just make sure that it won't move at all. And then this one, I'm going to line this up right here. Once again, lining it up with the raw edges. Put a couple clips. And then take it back over to my sewing machine, Felicia. Over to Felicia, and see how it's long. Normally you have to move that around. Because of the longer zipper, I don't have to. It can remain closed for this step. And now I'm just gonna stitch up this side, roughly 1/4 of an inch. All the way to the end. Now I'm going to open the zipper a little bit. So it's just open partially. And I'm going to take this. See how it's like this? All the lining is on one side. The exterior is on one side. And you want the zipper teeth to go toward the exterior. So whatever this little seam part of the zipper is called needs to go towards the lining. And then now I'm just going to make sure this is all lined up. On one side, I'm going all the way across. And I like to live on the edge, so I'm not clipping or pinning here. But if you're not as much of a rebel as me, then this would be a good place to clip or pin. All the way to the end here. And now I'm going to go do the other side. Once again, making sure the zipper teeth are toward the exterior. Back stitch a little bit. And now go all the way across. What's going on, Felicia? What's going on? And with these zippers, if you don't have these, I would suggest using a universal or a polyester, because you can sew right over those teeth. They're plastic, just don't go like super fast. You don't have to worry about it. So here, I'm going to leave about a 3-inch gap right here. Back stitch just to secure it. Now I am going to cut it. And then I'm going to take you back over to my ironing board one more time to show. I have some non-fabric scissors that I use for this. Just going to trim it. It cuts real easy. Like so. Just to get that out of the way. And now where this gap is, I'm going to pull it out. Like so. And this is where, if you did not open that zipper, you won't be able to do that because it'll be trapped. So make sure to open it before you stitch up the sides. Pull out the exterior. Boom, boom, shake the room like this. I'm going to use a bamboo crochet hook because I can't find my poker outer thingy. Sticking it in this gap just to poke out the corners. Like so. And then poke out the opposite corner here. Like that. And unzip it fully. And ta-da, we're almost done, y'all. The only thing we have left to do is this right here. So I'm going to go like so. If you pull on it right here and then the tip right here, it will create the natural fold of the seam. So I'm just going to press that. And this is where my label comes in. If you don't have a label, you don't have to worry about inserting it, but I'm going to put this label right here and then sew that so it looks like it was intentional. So I'll take you back over to this. Press this. I didn't feel like I needed to clip it, but I'm going to start right before where the thread ended. So there's a little bit of overlap. And I'm going to top stitch or edge stitch about 1/8 of an inch, making sure to catch the label and to close this seam. And go ahead and back stitch. And then now, the only thing left to do is to stick this in here. Boom, boom, shake the room. And boom, we have ourselves a zipper pouch. Yay, make a lot, have some fun. They're perfect for gifts or for yourself. Yay for the zipper pouches. They're super practical. I forgot how easy they were to make. I haven't made them in a while. Honestly, this is great. Hopefully y'all enjoy these and you give them as gifts for yourself or your friends and you keep it positive. Bye.